Pancreatic isolates, also known as isolate of Langerhans. Pancreas is a mixed gland or heterocrine gland with both exocrine and endocrine portion. The exocrine portion of pancreas consists of pancreatic acini, which secretes a pancreatic juice about 1 liter per day. The endocrine portion consists of cluster of cells known as isolate of Langerhans. These cells clusters are distributed throughout the pancreatic parenchyma. Each isolate contains up to a few thousand endocrine cells, primarily composed of alpha cells, produces glucagon, raises blood sugar, beta cells produces insulin, lower blood sugar, delta cells produces somatostatin, regulates other hormones. F cells produces pancreatic polypeptides, regulates pancreatic activities. Functions of insulin. It prevents gluconeogenesis. It converts glucose into glycogen in liver and muscles. It converts excess of glucose into fats. It promotes protein synthesis in the body from amino acid. It increases utilization of glucose in the body's cells. Functions of glucagon. It stimulates gluconeogenesis, that is, formation of new sugar. It converts glycogen to glucose, glycogenolysis, mainly in the liver. It continuously supplies energy fuel in the form of glucose. Disorder of pancreatic isolates. Hyposecretion of insulin or deficiency of insulin results in diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus normally shows following: high glucose level in blood, hypoglycemia, blurred vision, weight loss, weakness, irritation, delayed healing, glycosuria, that is, sum of glucose is passed out in urine. Insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Increased blood glucose cause increase in thirst, polydipsia, and hunger, polyphagia. Hypersecretion of insulin, also known as hypoglycemia, glucose level fall below normal level, profuse sweating and unconsciousness, weakness, urgent need of glucose intake. Delta cells of isolate of Langerhans produces somatostatin. Hormone somatostatin inhibits and regulates the secretion of glucagon and insulin. Thymus gland. Thymus gland is soft pinkish gland which is located in chest region near the heart. It secretes a hormone called thymosin. It is large, prominent at birth and gradually atrophies, shrinks during adulthood. Functions of thymus gland. Thymus play an indirect role in delaying sexual maturity during childhood. It promotes cell division, growth and immunity. Deficiency of thymosin. It may lead to immune system failure, making the body highly vulnerable to infection. Deficiency also affects normal growth and development indirectly. Pineal gland. The pineal gland is a small endocrine gland in the brain situated in between two cerebral hemispheres of the brain, just behind the third ventricle. It is a cone shaped of about 5 to 8 mm in length, connected to the brain by a short pineal stalk. Pineal gland secretes two hormones, melatonin and serotonin. Functions of pineal gland. Secretion of melatonin. Pineal gland produces melatonin, a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle, circadian rhythm. Regulation of biological rhythms. It controls sleep patterns and also influences seasonal reproduction in some animals. Antioxidant role. Melatonin also acts as a natural antioxidant, protecting cells from damage. Secretion of serotonin. Serotonin also controls sleep-wake cycle, mood regulation, cognitive functions, helps constrict blood vessels to aid clotting after injury. Deficiency of melatonin. Hyposecretion of melatonin results in early sexual maturation, precocious puberty, disturbance of sleep-wake cycle, insomnia.